Tonight's the night I get in some shit.
Yeah.
Deep cover on the incognito tip. Killing motherfuckers if I have to. Killing cats too. Let the niggas know I'm coming at you. I guess that's part of the game. What I feel for the nigga who think he just gon' come and change things with the swiftness. So get it right with the quickness and let me handle my business. Yo, I'm on a mission and my mission won't stop until I get the nigga maxing at the top.
I hope you get his ass before he drop.
Kingpin kicking back while his buckles flames rocks. Coming up like a fat rat. Big money, big balls, big bodyguards on his back. So it's difficult to get it.
But I got the hook up with somebody who knows how to get in contact with.
Get it like this and like that. Let him know that I'm looking for a big fat dump sack.
Night, a special night, to remember with pride these 20 happy years.
I can't leave my beat boys alone. I can't leave my beat girls alone. Let's turn this house right into a home. Come on, y'all, let's get into the zone. Vibrate on you all cellular phones. In here they might already be on roll. Minds are blown, I'm sure you ain't gotta go major, you can do it alone. As I look back on all the years, all the tears, all my peers, in fear I hear insecurity beneath the crowd of self-esteem and self-doubt. KRS lays out a whole different route. It shows you what hip-hop is really all about. Get me on the route, really self-doubt. It's in the faith when the fear is out now. Clear them out now, from the bottom to the tip top, take the vow. I am hip-hop, and recreate yourself. Love to reach yourself, do not deny or lie or fake yourself. You can make yourself, you awake yourself. You can mold, remodel, and reshape yourself. You gotta take yourself more seriously. Create yourself to what you really can be. You're the villain is free. Look at me, I do what I do. I am hip-hop, and so are you. Yo, we almost through, but before we go, I wanna invite y'all all to every show where the B-boys and girls are